Alright guys, doing a brake job on a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. And all you're going to need, best thing that I do, I use a C-clamp. Once I get the brakes off, I use a C-clamp to push in the cylinder so you can put the new brake shoes back on. And here, I'll show you what. There, can you see it? There's the brake shoes. You can see where it's already wore down the metal. My wife said, it's squealing, and will you fix the daggone thing? So, I'm fixing the doggone thing. Anyway, it'll be the same way all the way around. You're going to have, you would take the bolt out of here, loosen the one here. The whole thing will fly open. Take the bad brake shoes out, put the new ones back in, flop it back. And you will need that C-clamp. That's the best thing to do. And a 14mm socket. That's it. I don't know why it costs so much at the mechanic shops. They charge a fortune, but it's not that hard. So I'll be doing this all the way around. Do this one first, next that side, then those two. As long as you keep this pushed in with the C-clamp, you can put the brake shoes on. Don't do anything with your brake lines. You don't want to mess that up and get air in there. But I got the new brake shoes put on. They just slide right in them little holes and clamp in there pretty good. Then you got to take this little rascal right here. Look at the devil right there. My goodness. She's hard on that gas pedal and the brake pedal, I guess. I don't know. All right. Doink, doink. Well, I'll be. Get off of there. Alright, let's see if this rascal. Oh, yeah, now. Uh-oh. Oh. Pop it in. Put the bolt in the hole. That'll be all there is to it. Tighten it back down. Good to go. So you can slam on the brakes some more. Alright, this is the other side. I'm going to show you from the beginning. I got the wheel off, jacked up. Safety first. I'm going to take this off. Follow along, children. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Oh. Alright. You got one other one right here you're going to have to loosen, which really... should be able to take this inside piece, pop it open. The cylinder, you need to crank it in. Like I said, use a C-clamp, makes it real easy. Makes life easy. The rust on here, that's extra. And just crank her down until it stops. That way you ain't gonna be fighting putting your new brake shoes on. Here we go. Just like that. Push it out of the way a little bit. Alright, now let's see if we can't get these darn brake shoes off of here. Pulled one out. Now that ain't bad. That could have went on, but I'm going to replace them all. This and that. Same with that, not bad. Okay. That little clamp go. There. That was just the piece that was on the. Luckily, it didn't do anything to my rotors. Now, if it was really bad and you had grooves in the rotors, go down and have them turned at AutoZone or somewhere. Old Riley's or O'Reilly's or whatever that place is called. Alright. This rascal go on this side. Down in the hole. way. There. One. And number two. Number two. Push them together. Take off your C-clamp. My dog being silly over there. Back on. Push it down. Oh no. Good. Good. That's it. Another one down.